Hello Sudoku guys, welcome today in this additional weekend additional. We in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. Saturday, December the 12th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars. A tectonic with 1 star, a tectonic with 4 stars, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Too much time to spend. Time consuming, yes. I only do half of them. The 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary I will do. And the first Sudoku I will solve will be a Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be a number 2005. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted. This one has 25 as usually. Yes. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yes. But you cannot pin on that. It's not always the less printed digits, it's always more difficult. We will see, because the next Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. Is it really a 4 stars? Is it really more difficult than the previous one, this one, the 3 stars? I do not know. We will see. We will see. Alright. So 25 printed digits. If you don't believe it, count them by yourself. Check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the number? The first row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9 in this big square, so no 9s in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. We have a pair. Well, let me start with the 7 then. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers now. No, 4 missing numbers now. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Well, we see here another 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1, should be here. Eight. Alright. So, and now, 2. Alright. 2. Alright. 2. Woohoo! Let me think. 1, 3, 3. Interesting. 8. 1. Alright. 7. I believe We need a 4 there. Yeah. 2, 5. All right. We have a pair. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So on the first row. The only 2 places for the 5. Could be here. Could be there. One of the missing number in the first row is also a 2. We see here 2. So no 2 there. Here also a 2. So no 2 there. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Together with the 5, it's a pair. The other pair in the first row should be the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. No. Need to wait. 2, 5. So we have a 2 here. Alright, so here 2. 2, 7. Yes. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 7. We need a 7 in one of those 5 boxes, empty boxes. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. We have a 7 over there, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright, so we have a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing in this column. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and the 4, so the other pair should be the 6 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. Two missing numbers now. The 1 and the 8 are missing. The 1 and the 8. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers here. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Then 2, 2, 4, 4. All right. All right. And now, 1. We have a 7 here. No. 8, 2, 2. The other pair, we have a 2 and a 7. The other pair should be 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. So the last column, these 3 missing numbers, the 3, the 8, and the 5. 3, 8, 5. 3, 8, 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so on the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Yes. Yeah. All right. We have in the third row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. The 6 and the 1. We have here the 6 and the 1 in this big square, so no 6 and the 1 in those two boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in these two boxes, 6 and the 1 as a pair. 6 and the 1, so 6 and the 1, we 6 and a 1, all right. That means in this row, the third row, one of the missing number is a 7 in the third row. We have a 7 here in this big square, so no 7s in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be here. One box left in this column for the number 2. 2 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. One box left in the third row for the number 9. No, 9 we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for a 3 should be there. Two boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and the 9. 3, 3. Interesting. 7, 7. 7, 7. This big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6 in this big square. We see here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be here because we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. So this should be a 6. And one box left in this third row should be a 1. One box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Let me mark those. It's a pair. It's a pair. How about these two numbers? 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. No, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. All right. How about this? No. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8. No. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? The 1 is missing. The 4 is missing. 1, 4, and 9. 1, 4, 9. We see a 4 and a 9. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So one box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those two boxes are 9 and a 4. But these 3 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other pair, we have a 9 and a 4 here. The other pair should be the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this is going to be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 5. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, alright. 1, no, 9, alright. 3, 3, 9, 4. How about these 2 numbers? In this big square, the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this is going to be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 4. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. We have those 2 boxes marked with a 9 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 9. Alright, 1 box left in the third column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will continue in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So until then, see you later. Bye bye for now.